Hello everyone, welcome you all. Today I am going to demonstrate about TestNG reports. So which is used for logging purpose, and later we can debug what all information that we are capturing in the test cases and test scenarios, which will be helpful for someone who is reading our logs. So let's get started. In case if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. So let me open my IDE, and here I have written one test method. So under that test method I have a sample code which will be launching a website and getting the title. So all this information are not logging in anywhere. So now I wanted to log each and every information into my emailable report, which will be sending to the all the team members. So which will provide them as a proof of concept where what all steps that have been executed, all those are captured into the report. So we have an option in the TestNG which is called reporter. So using that reporter we can capture all the steps. So let's see how can we log those. So once you type reporter, so you will see this method which is a test org.testng reporter. So this will help us to log all the reporting logs. So under this reporter class we have some methods under it. So that is reporter.log. So which will be providing all the methods in that. So all these methods accept a parameter called string, and also which will accept boolean, so which will be used to print the console outputs. So without using the system.print.ln, we can use this reporter.log to print in the console. So let's see, let's capture this, and here this information I wanted to print on my report and as well as on my console. So to make that, we need to provide true option. In case if you wanted to print the same message on the console, keep this as a true. In case if you wanted to print only in the report, then make it as a false. Now, so here also we can add one more reporter log. So that reporter dot log. So this time I will be using only one parameter, which is string parameter. Right, this is the browser I wanted to use, and let's use a new line. So for the title I will write a reporter.log, so that that title will be printed in my console and as well as report logs. And here I will append my title attribute. So this is the title. So I'm capturing the driver.get title and storing in a string, and then that string I am appending to the report. And I wanted to print this title in my console as well, so I will use this true option. So let's quickly run the program and see. So it is launching. You can see there is some message printed, setting up browser and managing the exe. So that message I wanted to print on the console, and later you can see there are two messages printed, which is the current page title is Google, and there is one more setting up browser and managing exe file. This is because I have mentioned it as a boolean value true, which will be logging that system out dot print. And let's see where we can find this report. So once you refresh the project, you will see the test outputs. So under the test outputs you will find the index.html. So double click on index.html, and once you see this default suite, under that you will see the reporter output. So this is a reporter output that it is being printed in the reporter logs. So in case if you wanted to see the same content in the emailable report, go and click on the emailable report.html. So here you will see all the steps that we have provided in the actual test execution. So these are the three logging statements that we have given here. So those three statements will be available in the emailable report, and this emailable report will be shared across the team members, and later they can understand that what all test cases and test steps that been performed. So I hope this session is useful for you. In case if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Do share, like, comment and post.